In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent the logging of emails on Hubspot. Whether you're looking to ensure certain emails remain private, or simply wish to streamline your email logging process, this tutorial will guide you through the steps necessary to achieve this with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Hubspot homepage. This is where you'll begin your journey. Once you're there, look for the login button, typically located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on this button and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and log into your Hubspot account as you normally would. If you haven't yet created an account, you might want to set one up to explore these settings. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. From here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to HubSpot. Your next step is to locate and click on the settings icon, which is usually found in the main navigation bar, often represented by a gear icon. Selecting this will take you into the settings menu, where you can manage your preferences and access various tools. With the settings menu now in front of you, the next step is to navigate to the email section. In many HubSpot accounts, you'll find this option listed in the left sidebar. Clicking on email brings you front and center with your email settings dashboard, where you can customize how your email interactions are logged. Now let's focus on preventing unwanted emails from being logged. You need to use the Never Log feature. Locate this feature within your email settings and click on it. The Never Log option allows you to specify which emails or domains should be excluded from logging, thus maintaining the privacy or exclusion of specific interactions as per your needs. Once you click on Never Log, the interface will prompt you to add emails or domains. Click on this option and you'll see a dialog box where you can input the email addresses or domains you want to exclude from logging. Simply enter the details here, whether it's a specific email address or a whole domain, and save your changes. Be meticulous when you enter this information to ensure that the correct entities are excluded from your logs. And there you have it, you've effectively configured your HubSpot account to prevent the logging of specific emails and domains. Remember, these settings can always be adjusted, so feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need to either review your selections or add more emails or domains to your Never Log list. Thanks for watching and spending your time learning with us. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using HubSpot efficiently. Until next time, happy marketing.